Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we've just fitted another HALO Mini on a brand new Range Rover 2025 and an S5 tracker. So how the system works, if someone wants to do a relay attack or grab this key and try and start the vehicle will start. Vehicle's running, but if I try and put it into gear, it won't allow me to put it into gear. So if I insert the code, which I'm going to change after the video, so if you watch carefully, you're going to get a full beam flash internally. There's our full beam. Select a gear and drive away. As soon as I turn off the ignition, as soon as I open the door, if you watch carefully, the system will arm. There's our double flash and the system's now armed. If we want to place it in valet mode, the way we would place it in valet mode is first of all turn the ignition on, pass authorization by inserting the code, and then hold on the last press. So tap, 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 hold. There's our full beam. If we keep on holding for about 15 to 20 seconds on the last pressed button, you will see we will get 5 flashes and it will go into valet mode. So just keep watching. There you go, there's our 5 flashes. Now if we turn off the start button, open the door, we'll be able to start it and select a gear and drive away. Okay, vehicle's running, able to put into gear. Okay, so it's not speed or distance dependent like some canvas immobilisers. So if we want to take it out of valet mode, main ignition on, vehicle cannot be running once again. Insert the code and hold on the last press. Hold for about 20 seconds. Keep watching. There you go. It's now come out of valet mode. So if I turn the start button off, open and close the door, the system will be armed once again. So if I try and start it, watch carefully. Vehicle is now running. Won't go into gear. Okay, insert the code. There's our flash. Into gear and drive away. Okay, if we want to change the code, as long as we don't open the door, the system won't be armed. If we turn the start button on, tap this park button 10 times and we'll get 1 flash of full beam. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's our flash. Now we have 10 seconds to change the code. So we're just going to do tap, 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 tap and turn off the start button. There's our flash. Open the door. Start the vehicle up. Vehicle's running, won't go to gear. Insert our new code. There's our full beam and we're able to drive away. Also on this system we've actually supplied a tag, so I'm going to show you how that works. So if you look carefully now, we've got the tag in the vehicle, so we just basically start the vehicle. There's our double flash, select the gear and drive away. Really simple and straightforward. So now I turn off the ignition and open the door, system will arm. There you go, it's armed again. I'll show you one more time, really simple. With the tag in the vehicle, just start the vehicle up. There's our double flash, select a gear and drive away. Okay, if you want to get one of these fitted, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company, number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you for watching, bye bye.